Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, April the 24th 2023. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. Not so good news today because we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. Alright. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Yeah, in the weekend edition on Saturday we have I believe 5 puzzles left. 2 in the puzzle page and 3 in the additional. Yeah, I will do those puzzles. Yeah, let me show you the Saturday edition. We have here 3 puzzles in the additional, the tectonic with 1 star, the letter Sudoku, and the 2-star Sudoku. In the puzzle page we have here one Sudoku with actually it's a 1-star, not the 3-star Sudoku, because this one has 27 printed digits. And we have also a 10 by 10 a binary puzzle. Yeah, 10 by 10, this one, binary puzzle. Alright, I will do those in the evening, but first let me start with the regular puzzle. And what's the news of today? Wow, yes, this Dutch lady, Sifan Hassan, the first time in a marathon in London, she won the first place. Yeah, first running in the marathon, and she grabbed the first place of the women. She's actually an athlete specialized with the 10K, 5K, maybe 1500 meters also, and the 3000 meters. But now for the first time in the with the marathon, 42 kilometers and 195 meters. Yeah, that's the marathon distance. All right, come on. Yes, medium Sudoku, the regular medium Sudoku number. This will be number 6326. Yeah, this will be 6326. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digit, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 in this column could be there, here or there. We see another 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 289, 289, 289, 289. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here, 2 in the last row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this column should be there. So the 8 and 9 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 269, 269, okay. Then the next step, the 3 in this row, the 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright, 4, 4, 4. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, 7, 8, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. 1, 2. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay, 2, 2. Then 5, 5, 5. The 8 should be here. 8. We have 8 here. 8 there. Okay. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 6. Yeah. 7. 7. What's happening? What's happening? 1. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm thinking. 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 7. Still thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 6. With the 9. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7, could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. Need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, overlooked. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 9, need a 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of missing number is an 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. That means these 2 missing numbers should be the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. These 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those. The other pair in this area, in this big square, should be for the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. 8 and the 9 are missing. Alright. Yeah, 8, 8, 8. 1, 1, 1 and 4. Need a 7 here. 8 and 4. Okay, so we have 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see how 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see how 2 in this row, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 should be also here. And 8, 4, 4, 4. Need a 5, need a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7. 6, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Second row. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. Third column. So no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So 1 digit left should be the 7 then. 6 and a 9, okay. So we have a 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and 5. 5, 5. 4, 4. We have a pair of 4 and 8 in this row. The 4 and 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Here we have 8. Here there and 8. That means in this column, the 8 in this column should be one of these 3 boxes. We have also an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 missing numbers, 4 and a 5, and the 1 is missing. We need a 1 in this column. Here can be a 1 because we have 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there in this column. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 5. So we have a 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair, the 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. So 1 digit left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 and the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7, 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and 9 in this big square. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair, the 6 and the 2 in this column, the 6 and the 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finishing 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 5 puzzles of the weekend edition. Yeah, we have 5 puzzles left. So have a great and fantastic Monday. See you in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now.